Hi, welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video, we're going to be making easy stuffed peppers. So to begin, I chop up about a medium to large size onion, and then I set that aside. And for this recipe, I'm going to use about 6 bell peppers. So I'm going to cut the tops off, and I'm going to remove the core. With the tops, I chop those up, and I set them with our onions that we're going to saute in a minute. Once we're ready to saute our onions and peppers, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to cook these over medium-high heat until they're nice and translucent and sauteed. And during this process, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, and you can also add a little salt and pepper if you like. And once our onions and peppers are fully cooked, I set those aside, and then I start cooking the beef. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using a pound of ground beef. You can also use ground turkey if you prefer. And I'm going to just cook the beef until it's no longer pink. And once that is fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add our onions and peppers back into our beef mixture. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of rice as well. And to this mixture, I'm going to add 2 cans of tomato sauce. And I'm going to save a little bit for the top later on, about half a cup or so. So once our rice, ground beef, onions and peppers, and our tomato sauce mixture is all combined, I'm going to start filling our stuffed peppers. And once they're fully stuffed, I'm going to add a little bit more sauce, and you can even add a little bit of shredded cheese on the top if you'd like. Now, not all of my 6 peppers are going to fit nicely in my 9x13 baking dish. So the way that I keep them from sliding around too much as they come in and out of the oven is I just use a little bit of aluminum foil and I crunch it up and fill in any bare spots. And then I add a little bit of water at the base of the dish just to help the peppers steam and cook a little faster in the oven. So we're going to bake these for 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And here's the finished product, stuffed peppers. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe for more recipes like this.